These are the elevators at the Homewood Suites, Hampton Inn. These are Schindler 5500. What floor would you like, sir?
6, please.
Going to level 6.
Oh, you on top, huh?
I'm just into elevators, that's all. Have a great day, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome. That was quite a reaction. I didn't expect that. But anyways, this is going to be an updated take on my very first Schindler 55 MRL traction elevators at the Hilton combo with a mix of both Hampton Inn and Homewood Suites in downtown Houston, Texas. Sorry I rushed in here so quickly because one, there is music playing, and two, I do not want to be seen by any of the hotel staff. I'm probably not gonna ride the valet elevator. I mean, maybe I could, but who knows? If someone gets on, I'm just gonna get right off. Or I might do one more. Doesn't look like that valet elevator is working because I just saw the shaft light on. These were busy the last time I came here. Anyways, this is probably going to be the last hotel elevator I'm going to film because a lot of them are getting key carded, like the Hilton Americas and the Westin Ballpark. And I also don't want to get confronted either. I can see why Anthony 020501 has slowly retired from filming because of that. Floors 2 and 3 are valet parking floors. All right, that's it.